Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Dodge Dart key fob. First, let's tackle the most common issue, a dead battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Gently pry open the key fob casing, usually along the seam, to reveal the battery. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, making sure the positive side faces up. This simple step often resolves many key fob problems quickly. Sometimes, after replacing the battery, your key fob might need a quick reprogramming to sync with your vehicle. To do this, get into your Dodge Dart and close all the doors. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for approximately 5 seconds. This action often re-establishes communication between the fob and the car. If a new battery and reprogramming don't work, let's troubleshoot other potential issues. Carefully inspect the key fob for any visible physical damage or signs of corrosion on the internal components. Make sure all the buttons move freely and aren't stuck, which could prevent them from making proper contact. Also, test the key fob's range. A significantly reduced range might suggest an internal problem or interference from other electronic devices nearby. While many key fob issues are simple fixes, sometimes professional help is the best option. If you've tried all the easy methods without success, a dealership or a certified automotive locksmith can provide a more in-depth diagnosis. They possess specialized tools to identify complex electrical faults or issues with the internal circuit board. Furthermore, if your vehicle's receiver module is faulty, professional intervention will be required to get your key fob working again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.